go in close with our camera.
La 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 la.
And he dies. The way we did this.
1 foot and see how long I can survive.
The way we did this is that we put a whole bunch of bombs, made them come back instantly, and ran them over with a mongoose.
Yeah, it was all fun and game, so we started to blow up. So now I'm just gonna try to go over there on foot and see, because we have a lot of health now. So I should be able to live for at least just a little bit. But just get over there. Yep, this thing could probably be seen from space. And the force is repelling me. I can't stick around anymore. Oh, I just got thrown back. I'm gonna throw a grenade in there. Goodbye. It's just so that our grenades explode as soon as they cause certain explosions.
I'm gonna take the grab lift. Smart move. Oh!
We need another mongoose.
Okay, you make one.
Getting really loud now. It's exploding too fast.
Quickly, make a mongoose and take it on the grab lift. We'll watch your screen.
Pieces on the other side of the map.
Hurry up.
Flying all over the place.
Mongoose.
Wait, I must throw.
Mongoose.
So I just had to do that. Okay.
Mongoose. Now drive it into the abyss. Get as much speed as possible. Look at the pieces fly all the way over here. Boom! He's still alive. Never mind.
Nope, I'm still alive.
Awesome.
I'm going down there on foot.
Take the camera. Yeah, well, I'm gonna try this. Alright. Wow, look at all these pieces. They're probably hitting the grab lift and coming all the way over here. There's that mongoose. Okay, I'm gonna take the grab lift now. Let's go, Spartans! For Sparta! That hurt. Let's go backwards. Wait, it stopped. Bum bum bum. Oh no! Ugh. Ow. Well, let's see if I can make it again.
I think there's a slight overload. Please do not run over pedestrians.
Oh no! There we go again. Well, we gotta go. This is taking too long. But in short, get a mongoose and try this for yourself. See you later.